Today I'm going to take you to one more beach in Bali called Virgin Beach. Before that, you have to see the place that I'm staying. This is called Kandidisa Beach in Bali. This is only about 8.5 kilometers from Virgin Beach, which you're going to go. This shot which I'm taking is a time lapse of 30 minutes. Okay, in the afternoon. But in the morning, this is how it looks. Because we neither facing east or west, we're facing south. Okay, so the light is a little less, but if you're going to be worrying about it, you will not enjoy about it. And basically, you have to see how the splash happens. I'm wearing the black color dress. I don't know why in the world I wore that. Okay, but the splash of water which happens here, you're going to get great. Just watch, just see how it's going to crash. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, it's so beautiful that you will probably want to sit here all day. That's what I'm doing at the moment. At the time of voiceover that I'm doing after shooting all the video, you'll not believe it's 8 hours since I'm sitting on the beach bed and watching with the high tide. This is the high tide. You saw what you saw the early shot. The first shot was actually a low tide. Okay, where the water was sucked back and all that. See how it is coming in, thick and fast is coming in. But I really enjoy this place as such because on the beach front I've got a villa for only 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees I'm talking about it. Okay, it's like you can say about 2,000, 200,000 Indonesian ringgit. Not ringgit. What is it? Rupiah. Okay, so like I told you, it's neither facing east or west. Okay, so the brightness you will not find it, but I will show you. I mean, this is the place you need to come. You definitely have to come, especially Kandidisa Beach. Because Virgin Beach, I will tell you, I will show you, because I'm going to take you there, right? You will have to see it for yourself whether to decide. Because if you're going to come for 4-day, 5-day holiday in Bali, is it worth it or not worth it? You have to know about it, right? Because you got 4-5 days. I've got about a month. I'll keep coming back. I'll keep coming back. And maybe not to Bali. I'll go to some other place. Okay, so next time around, maybe I'll go to Gili Islands. Maybe I'll go to Lombok Islands. Maybe I'll go to Nusa Penida. Okay, I'm not in a hurry as such. People are, a budget on time. I don't have budget on time. Okay, I don't have budget on money also. Saying that, look at this. So from here, I think it's time that I should take you by road and show you that where we are heading and how it is going to be. Okay, but I'm going to give you Kandidisa Beach is a place. If you're looking for a place where you want some time for yourself, maybe with your friends and all that, want to chill out, not with crowd and all that, this is the beach that you should come. Other beaches are crowded, and you're going to spend much more money getting there, being there, blah blah. Got the point? Here we go. You have to cross the mountains and all this stuff, but it's beautiful for you to go for a ride and all, and you'll get great pictures. I'm telling you, you'll get great pictures. Okay, this is where on the hilltop that I'm on. Okay, from here you can literally see the Virgin Beach, because that's east facing and it's early in the morning that I've come. You might not get great footage. So you know that if you want great footage from here, you come when it is in the evening. So we have landed, in the sense we've come to the beach. Okay, we've come to Virgin Beach. We're going to explore that. But I should show you from the top, no drone shots. You're asking, you want to see? Tell me now fast, okay? Yes, I will show you, don't worry. Okay, I mean, I've captured all that stuff, but I want you to see from the ground level and then realize how it is from the top level. So you will have an idea, because your eyes will anyway will capture. But you can't capture all that shot if you don't have a drone. There we are, here we are, here we are. Looks beautiful. It's a small beach, huh? Small beach. Oh, you don't have, many resorts and all that. Don't even look at it. You'll have to stay somewhere else and then come here to play. If you're going to come here to play, I would say you can play anywhere else. Correct? Why only this beach? Is rough. I'm telling you, the sea is rough here. The ocean is rough here. It can pull you inside the ocean. I'm telling you, because I don't know swimming. I can literally make that out. So I'm telling you, that's how it is here. Okay, so, but Kandidisa, I don't think you have a problem. I am not, I don't have a tie-up with anybody there. I'm just telling you. I won't even give you the place name. If you wanted to message me, I will give you the name. Okay, so this is where we're taking off. Come on, we take off now. See, we're going to head to east. That's where you will find it dark. But don't think it's going to be dark ever. No. They always say, the tunnel, you have lights. I will show you. Because we're heading east, so you don't have to get discouraged. I will show you when I turn the camera around. You will be surprised to see how beautiful it'll look. You'll be surprised and you'll say that I want to come. But I'm telling you, if you're on a 4-5 day holiday, most of the Indians do that. Okay? I'm not talking about any other people like white skin foreigners and all that. They will come chill out for a month. Okay, they'll be on one beach for 1 month. Okay, their mentality is different as compared to our Indians as such. Okay, because I'm Indian, I can say that we want to see as much as we can. Because I know a friend, she went on a Euro trip for 15 days and she saw 9 countries, is what she says. In Bali, I can't finish in 1 month, and she saw 15 countries, 9 countries in 15 days. Can you beat that? That is how they look at it. Because I think, they're all millionaires and billionaires. When I turn on the camera on, look at her. How beautiful, behind. Oh, the mountain and the trees and the green cloud. Oh, la, 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 la. Something I wanted to add, in a sense, to make it energetic. It looks nice and all, but it's really rough. It's scary. So I'm gonna bring back, when I'm bringing it up. Now you see how it looks jackass. Not America. What's his name? Anil Kapoor says jackass. If you don't know, Google Anil Kapoor. You won't know my name. My name is Vivek Ati. If you don't know, you should follow my channel. Okay, you want to travel, follow my channel. If you don't want to travel, go to Google. Okay, they will give you all nonsense. Your tour operator will not tell you this place. Even if he tells you, it's great, you come here, you'll crib. Who will you tell? You're not famous Instagrammer or Facebook guy. Correct? Oh, where's the hero? I can't see the hero. Other side, little further up is where the Kandidisa beach is. Okay, you got the picture. They've got a helipad here where helicopters come and land here. Can you beat that? Imagine the kind of people who come and land here. Oh, they must be healthy. They won't be healthy, they'll be wealthy. But one day I'll be healthy and wealthy. Okay, you can follow me. You can, and then you'll understand how am I doing it. 3 years of my travel. I should have been doing it for the last, I don't know how many years, but at least 3 years not late. At least I started. When I'm taking it around, you see how it looks. But if it faces the east, where the sun is there, you will not like it. I also didn't like, but I can't do anything about it. I don't have ND filter. I don't have all that. I don't want to do all, editing and all that. Make it bright and you see me and all that. I don't want to do actual footage. It has to be. Okay, I'm not here to acquire subscribers, followers and all that. No. I'm here to enjoy. I'm only sharing you what I've seen. See, when I come away from and look at this top-down shot, yeah. See, it's one shot I've taken. It's one shot. It's a one continuous shot. You understand how beautifully I've taken this. When I take it up 120 meters, slow and steady I'm taking it, because I want you to grasp it. What you can see, what you can't see, so that you can also shoot when you come. So you have an idea when you come here. If you have a drone, if you don't have a drone, you will buy one. I know that. Then how to tilt it up, what to do. Okay, he did this, I can do better. You will have that benchmark. Yes or no, when it tilted up. Oh man, look at this. We are facing towards Kandidisa, and then you go further up and all that, you'll get Sanur Beach, you'll get Kuta Beach and all that. It's just that side. On this side that I'm turning around is a Virgin Beach. And go around the circle like that, you will go to Ahmad Beach, and then you'll go to Lavinia Beach, and then you can circle around Bali and come back to Kuta and fly from there. Got it? I told you one shot. Yes, I'm going to show you one shot. See, I'm going to bring it down. I promised you, one shot I'm going to do it. There's no editing at all. Do you see it? One shot. All that camera movements is so smooth. Any cinematographers looking for any other cinematographer, you can look for me. I will always find you places like this, beautiful places, and beautiful shots. I'll give it to you. Oh man, look at this. There comes the hero. Enter the hero. The last minute he will enter. Till I see you again, stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive.